Hello and welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. This is video 4, so part 4 of my 50 years of Zippo collection, the 1980s. We've already had the 50s, 60s, and 70s, so if you have not checked those out, check them out. There's some nice old vintage Zippos in there. None of them are too flashy, and I don't know, I got them at a good deal, and I think it makes a nice little addition to my collection and a good thing to do with this case. So without ado, here's my 1980. One slash on the left, one slash on the right. It's kind of neat looking. Little blue panels on it. Time appropriate insert. And my 1981, which is a really nice Venetian. One slash on the left, none on the right. It's in pretty good shape. Great hinge. Barely ever used. Time appropriate insert. So not too shabby actually. My 1982 is an R&E Incorporated, R.E. Ebersol Incorporated, Bainbridge, Pennsylvania. And now we're back to the 4 slashes, except this time from upper left to lower right. 4 on each side denotes it as a 1982. This one is in beautiful shape. Was never used. Double-sided time appropriate insert. As you can see, at that time already they switched over to the more modern wick style. They had gotten rid of the asbestos wick already. See, that's a regular one. Because all these have the original inserts. So by 1980, they got rid of the asbestos wick. And here's my 1983. It is the DDG Azakazi. It's a Japanese missile ship from the Japanese Navy. 4 slashes on their left, 3 on the right. Not a bad hinge. Time appropriate insert. Now my 1984. Real nice shape. Pinstripe. Quick click. Great hinge. Appropriate insert. As you can see, they started putting the slashes on the bottom on the inserts, just like on the bottom of the lighters. I believe this would be my 1985. 3 on the left, 2 on the right. Is another Manitowoc Company Zippo. Now, so as you can see, the slashes are on the inserts now too, depicting the years that the inserts were made. (1986). As you can see, they switched over to start using Roman numerals. So K of 2 Roman numerals would be 86. As you see, same marking on the insert for the year. And this is from an old ship named after the town that I live in, the USS Manitowoc, LST 1180. 1987 now. We're at LIII. And this is the Grand Ole Opry, Nashville, Tennessee, since 1926 Zippo. Great hinge. Definitely started changing the printing on the inserts at that time. And here's my 1988. L V. Check something there. This one ain't in bad shape. Not a bad hinge, it's kind of loose. Correct insert. Well, it's an L88 inch case with an A89 insert, I believe. Which then brings me to my 1989, which is V, American Navy. Great hinge. This is one I actually got from J-Roll Lights himself at a very good price. Matching insert. So, kind of cool. And that's it for the 1980s. That takes us to 40 years of Zippo. Thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe. And have a great day. Thank you.